Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Candy Crush Soda Saga's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Candy Crush account, firstly go ahead and open your Candy Crush application. Accept the terms and conditions of Candy Crush by tapping on Accept. The home page of Candy Crush will appear on the screen. Click on Play It Before option. On the next page, tap on Login with Email. Enter your email address and password associated with your Candy Crush account and tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, tap on Forgot Your Password option. This is how you can log into your Candy Crush account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.